in this video, I'm going to speak about what kind of visa you would be getting if you come as a student here and your journey from your student visa to PR to citizenship. SIP? Did I say SIP or it's ship? Ship? Okay, whatever. So you got the idea, right? So it's going to be a whole interesting ride. So stay tuned with me. Oh, you have come. Okay. You're gonna see this. You're gonna see how do I look today. I know. It's not a fashion video I'm making today, but you tell me what to do. I like to dress up, but now I have been in lockdown for past 1 year. Exactly. The lockdown in Ireland started in March 2020 and now government has announced that it will be till March 2021. What to do? I'm dressed up to go nowhere. Hey guys, I'm Neeti along with my cuppa of warm water. Welcome you to my channel. If you are new to my channel, so please consider subscribing it. So without wasting any further time, let's get into today's video. So a lot of you are having queries related to visa in Ireland. Like there are different kinds of visa, student visa, visa 1, visa 2, visa 1G, and what's the process of naturalization. So in this video, I'm gonna clear all your doubts once for all. I would like to start from the start. So let's understand what is visa. Visa is Visitor International Stay Admission. For example, if you're going to Dubai for a holiday, of course you gotta be rich for that. So you would be getting, you would be taking a visa, right? You would be taking a tourist visa out there, which will allow you to stay there for 3 to 6 months, but it will not allow you to study or to work or to do any other business. So if you are coming to Ireland, you would be needing specific kind of visas which will allow you to study and to stay there and you can work here, and then eventually you can get a citizenship. So I guess now we have this idea about what is visa, and you know that you have a passport. Passport is being given by your own country. For example, you are from India, then you would be having that passport which states that you are an Indian citizen. Now if you come to Ireland as a student, so the first visa which would be allotted to you would be stamp 2. Now that's not a very difficult visa to find or to get, and I would be making a separate video where I will explain that what are the documents do you need, but the first visa which you will get is stamp 2, and I suggest you to please write it down because we have this confusion that what visa I would be getting after I complete my 2 years, blah blah blah. So it's better to make a note so that in the future you can use it as a reference. So now that visa 2 comes with a lot of advantages. The first thing is that you can work as a part-time person out here. Now when your studies are going on, you can work for 20 hours a week, and if you have a holiday, then you can work for 40 hours a week, and for that you again need some kind of document which I will discuss in separate video. Now the holiday period is from June to September and from 15th of December to 15th of January, and it's across Ireland, and it's not that if you're studying in DCU then you have a separate holiday period, and if you're studying in UCD or NUIG, because the county is different, there would be a separate vacation holiday period. No, it's not like that. It's universal in Ireland. Now after your studies, you get 2 options. Either you apply for 1G or you get stamp 1. Now these 2 are completely different stamps. Stamp 1 is being offered by your employer. So we will be discussing it in detail after some time. But now let's focus upon stamp 1G. Now stamp 1G is a promise which Irish government has made you that if you come to Ireland for masters, then you would be given 2 years work permit post your studies. Free for stamp 1G is €300, and I will explain the process of it in my other video. But the idea of stamp 1G is that during that period you should convince your employer to help you transition from stamp 1G to stamp 1. Let's talk about visa 1. Now visa 1 is offered by the company, and which is known as sponsorship. Now your employer would only be giving you that visa if he or she believes in you and they truly want you as an asset, because what happens is that the Irish companies here have this quota for taking non-EU employees. Yes, these things the government doesn't tell you, but once you come to the country, you know that what these companies have to do is that to hire non-EU employee, they first have to look for EU employees, like the EU people, and if they don't find any suitable candidate for their job, then they go for non-EU. So they have a particular quota, like 80 to 20, 80% in the company should be EU employees and 20% should be non-EU employees, so can be non-EU employees. So it's like that. So that's why it's very important that company should sponsor you. Now, critical skill permit. Now with visa 1 comes the critical skill permit. Now critical skill permit is offered for the skills which are critical in Ireland. The details of those skills I have mentioned in the description. Please have a look. Fee for stamp 1 is euro 300 and for the critical skill permit it's euro 1000. Now it depends that who pays that fee. Mostly company pays that fee and sometimes you also have to pay that fee, but not quite often I have seen these things, but that can actually happen. And now, as I said earlier, you do not have to go for 1G at all if your employer allows you to have stamp 1 with critical skill. So you can just escape all that euro 300 and you can directly go for stamp 1. And one very crucial information is that during that stamp 1, you cannot change your employer for 1 year. Yes, you cannot change it. Like there might be some cases that where the exceptional cases where the company has closed or there is some issue which has come up or you have been fired at that time, you can obviously look for new jobs, but otherwise you have to have you must stay in that company for 1 year or 12 months. And after the completion of 1 year on stamp 1, you can surely look for other jobs. Now comes the other stamp, which is stamp 4. Now stamp 4 is equivalent to PR, which is given once you have completed 2 years on stamp 1. And once you get stamp 4, you do not need any sponsorship from any employer in Ireland. Now after all these stamps comes the stamp 5, which is the naturalization stamp. This is being allotted to you once you have completed 5 years in Ireland, and this allows you to stay in this country indefinitely. And the fee for the application fee for the stamp is around 175 euros. Now finally comes the citizenship, which is stamp 6. Now stamp 6 indicates you are an Irish citizen with dual citizenship. Oh yes. You get the passport of Ireland and the voting right. This makes you an EU national and you can go across the globe. Sorry, not across the globe, across Europe. You can enjoy your stay and you can work anywhere in Europe. Oh yes, I said it twice because I know how difficult it is actually to find a job from Ireland to other country, because every time you need sponsorship. So here is a small recap. You come as a student and you get a stamp 2, and then after completing your studies you can get stamp 1G, or if your company sponsors you, you can get stamp 1. After staying in stamp 1 for 2 years you get stamp 4, and after that you get stamp 5, and you only get stamp 5 once you have completed 5 years in Ireland, and after that you'll get stamp 6. I know it sounds very easy, but it's really not that easy. It's really tough. But worry not, we have the information and we can definitely get that stamp. And guys, if you are really liking my work, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also you can comment. I'm just giving my whole sweat and blood in every video of mine, and you know that, right? Because you guys are the one who are motivating me to make these kind of videos. I get your beautiful comment and I feel so nice that you are really liking my work, and I would just like to thank you for this. And yeah, keep watching my videos and see you in my next video, guys. My kappa, destiny of it. See you. Bye bye.